Hey you! Welcome to Hot or Not on Real Divine. Today we will be reviewing Winky Lux pH Lip Balm. On the box, it says that it is a transforming pH lip balm. It's based in New York, which is awesome, my home. And it says it's a color enhancing pH balm. Okay, so I'm really scared. And this is confetti balm, this one. I'm really scared because it's so pretty, as I had seen it online, and I am scared to, because I ordered this, and I'm scared to mess it up because it is so cute. It doesn't deserve to be tarnished, if you know what I mean. Okay. And look at that. It's gorgeous. It's literally gorgeous. Like, what the heck? Whoever came up with this is just a genius. Like, this lip balm, I feel, was made for me. If you are a glitter girl and you love the iridescentness of things, you will definitely love this. I'm sure you're looking at this through your screen and like, oh my gosh, I need to get that. I feel you. You go on their website and you're like, oh my gosh, I need to get all of these. It's really bad, but no more. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I don't want to mess it up, but gotta try it out. I'm gonna put it down like this because if it breaks, I am going to be pissed. Yeah. Vanilla, I guess. Okay. Get a little closer so you guys can see up close while it's transitioning. It's really changing, you guys. It's getting darker by the minute, and you wouldn't think this would turn into this, would you? Because I wouldn't either. I feel you. That's so cool. Like, you really would not expect this to do this. Like, what the heck? And the intriguing part is that while it's on here, it's not like turning a color, but it's turning a color on my lips. pH transforming lip balm. Is Winky Lux hot or not? Clearly it is hot. This is a hot product. Look at my lips. They look moisturized. It's a lip balm. It doesn't need to be like super strong. It's for your lips moisturization, and that is perfectly fine with me. And the fact that you get a nice little color with it is so sweet. Like, and this is especially for a girly girl. So if you're a girly girl and you love the glitters and the sparkle and the iridescence and the rainbows and all the colors, and then this is for you. It is. Then you should go get it. I wish I could work with them in the Winky Lux department because this would be awesome. Oh my gosh, if I was being sponsored for this video, one day I will be. One day soon, I hope, because my lips feel great. I love it, and I was so scared. I've been so scared to use it. Like, I've had this for 3 weeks now. I've had this for a lot of weeks, and I've been nervous to use it because it's so pretty and I don't want to mess it up, and I don't like messing up nice things. But everything changes, but God doesn't, so that's something to live by. Thank you so much, you people. I hope you guys have a blessed, beautiful day. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It really means a lot. I love it. Oh, and comment down below. I love to talk to you guys. As long as it's a sweet comment. Don't want anything salty. Okay? Thank you. Mwah.